You've spent 9 months preparing for the birth, but has anyone actually prepared you for Tuesday at 3 a.m.? Most new parents spend thousands on nursery decor, but the reality of the first 7 days is a completely different ballgame. Today, we're going beyond the cute outfits. We're breaking down the essential survival guide for week 1, from the medical red flags pediatricians want you to know, to the 3 gadgets that will actually save your sleep. The biggest shock to new parents? Your baby's internal clock is backwards. In the womb, they were rocked to sleep by your movement during the day and were wide awake when you laid down at night. To fix this, you need to implement the boring night strategy. During the day, keep the house bright, go about your normal noise levels, and, despite what your grandma says, wake that sleeping baby. Pediatricians recommend waking them every 3 hours during the day to fill their tank. This ensures they get their calories while the sun is up, so they eventually learn to sleep longer stretches when it's dark. In those first few days, your baby's body is going through massive changes. First, don't panic if they lose weight. It's medically expected for newborns to lose about 10% of their birth weight initially. They should be back to their starting weight by day 14. Second, watch for jaundice, a yellowing of the skin or eyes. The best treatment? Frequent feeding. The more they eat, the more they poop, which helps their body clear out the bilirubin. But here is where you need to be vigilant. A fever in the first 12 weeks is always an immediate call to your doctor. Do not wait. Also, monitor the umbilical cord. Forget the old advice to rub it with alcohol. Modern doctors say to leave it alone and keep it dry. If you see spreading redness, warmth, or pus, call the pediatrician. If it's leaking clear fluid or bleeding persistently, head to the ER immediately. You don't need 100 gadgets. You need these 3. Number 1, a swaddle that actually works. In the middle of the night, you don't want to be fighting with a flat blanket. Velcro or zippers are your best friend. Just remember the golden rule of sleep safety. Once swaddled, your baby must be placed on a safe, firm, and flat surface. No pillows, no loose blankets. Number 2, white noise. Your baby is used to a constant whooshing sound in the womb that's as loud as a vacuum cleaner, about 80 decibels. A white noise machine mimics this, making them feel secure enough to drift off. Number 3, a digital rectal thermometer. It's the only way to get a medically accurate reading for a newborn. It's an essential part of your medical kit that you hope you never have to use, but must have ready. The first week is about survival, not perfection. You are learning about them, and they are learning about the world. To make this transition easier, I've created the Paradise Babies Newborn Survival Checklist. It's a 5-page guide that covers feeding trackers, medical red flag checklists, and my vetted registry must-haves, so you don't waste money on things you'll never use. You can grab your copy at the link in the description below. If this video helped you feel even a little more prepared, hit that subscribe button and join our community. We're here to help you grow alongside your little one. Welcome to Paradise Baby.